The straight stitch is the building block of many straight hand embroidery stitches. It is the most basic stitch that anyone will learn. A single straight laying stitch is called the straight stitch, and many stitches, hand embroidery stitches, begin with a straight stitch. Straight stitches can be placed in various patterns that suits your imagination. The stitches from the straight stitch family is made by placing straight stitches in a certain repetitive pattern. Straight stitches are also handy when you need to fill slight bit of an area on the fabric. I'm stitching a few quick samples of how the straight stitch can be used. Many stitches like the herringbone and the fly stitch are also made using the straight stitch. This stitch is a great way to practice your hand-eye coordination and precision. I hope you liked this video. Share it if you have learned something new and drop a comment to let me know. Do check the links in the description to support us. This is Sarah from Sarah's Hand Embroidery. Thank you so much for watching.